Hi everyone, this is Samuel from Zoom. Today, we're going to take a look at the Instamic, from opening the box to doing your first recording and more. For additional help getting started, there's a QR code in the box that takes you to a quick start guide. In the box, you get the recorder, a USB-C cable for charging and file transfer, and 3 quick release mounting clips. On the front of the Instamic is the power and record button, and LED meters for battery and input level, with a microphone array on top. Power on by holding the button for about 1 second. Once on, you can start recording right away with a single press. The VU meter LEDs turn off after about 10 seconds, but you'll still be recording. If you want to check that you're recording, press the button once. Pressing it a second time will stop and save your recording. While it's plugged in, it will be charging. The LEDs blink sequentially to indicate charging, and when it's full, all 3 will blink together. For remote control with your phone, install the Instamic Remote app on iOS or Android. Turn the Instamic on, open up the app, and tap the Instamic to connect. The green check will confirm that it's connected. Tapping the connected device takes you to the capture screen, where gain, record start and stop, LED behavior, and monitoring are available. To learn more about the Instamic, check out the other videos on our YouTube channel and visit our website, zoomcorp.com. Good luck and enjoy creating.